Introducing the stunning 2019 SEAT Ibiza FR with sunroof and upgrades. This powerful 115 bhp 1.0 TSI engine delivers an exhilarating driving experience, while the sleek white exterior turns heads wherever you go. Packed with top-of-the-line features like ambient lighting, Android AutoCarplay, and Bluetooth phone connectivity, this Ibiza offers both style and convenience. Safety is paramount with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Plus, with comfort features like air conditioning, cruise control, and remote boot release, every drive is a joy. This Ibiza has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.